Well, today's not a good day. You ever had one of those days that things just don't go right? That's today. Well, having problems with my riding mower. I use my riding mower and a cart to take my quail waste to the compost box. It's heavy. Drove it up here last night because I sort of stage it so that way I can get it early in the morning. It wasn't running real good. Well, so I checked the oil levels, a little low on oil, put oil in it. Got it somewhat leveled out. Got on it this morning, figured I'd start it up. Still not running well. So, off to the store I go to buy stuff that I think it may need. So I'm going to go through here, do the spark plugs, the fuel filter, air filter, things like that. That maybe it's not getting enough air. Because it was running fine when I put it away after I mowed the yard. So, did that. Blew about an hour of time. And came home to another mess. We buy laundry soap in the big containers. You push a little button down, fill a cup up, sits up on the shelf. Yeah. Well, the little plastic piece inside there came out, and we buy the big bottles, like the 140 load. Yeah, that was all over my floor. Not good. So, a couple hours, paper towels, a couple rolls of paper towels to clean up the rough. I don't have a mop and bucket, so bucket of hot water and rags on my hands and knees for a couple hours. So that's done. I'll probably go back over it with some more hot water later, but I need to get out here, work on the mower, then I can change quail cages. And it's probably 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So, hope your day is doing well. Hope your projects are going well. But right now, it's just not a good day. Maybe I'll give you an update later. We'll see. Because I'm a blonde male and I have no building or mechanical experience. So this is going to be fun and interesting. Wish me luck.